The next part is to understand the area of a regular polygon in a slightly different perspective. Okay, so there's this formula for the area of a regular polygon, and that is half into apothem into perimeter. Let's understand this particular formula, okay, and everything related to this, okay, with the help of few examples. Okay, now guys, पहले बात तो ये apothem क्या होता है? Okay, apothem is the shortest distance of the center of figure from the side of the figure. Okay, let's take the example. Okay, अगर मैंने एक suppose equilateral triangle draw किया, for equilateral triangle guys, what I'll do is I'll take a side as S, and let me drop all the medians or angle bisectors or perpendicular bisectors where all these points meet. Okay, that is center of the figure, right? In this case यही circumcenter होगा, incenter होगा और orthocenter होगा और यही centroid भी होगा, right? So for the equilateral triangle guys, this is the center of the figure. Okay, इसका distance from any side of the side, any particular side क्या हो जाएगा? इसका shortest distance from any side will be equal to the in radius, जो कि हमने देखा है, right? यहाँ से हमने देखा है in radius होता है, okay, which is 1/3 of the median. So root 3 upon 2 times the side, उसका हमने 1/3 भी किया था, we got s by 2 root 3. So here in this case, the area for the equilateral triangle will be half into apothem s by 2 root 3 into the perimeter, which is s plus s plus s 3s. You simplify, you get the same formula we studied previously, right? Root 3 by 4 into side square. We'll take a few more examples, guys. Let's take a square, okay? For the square, if you observe, guys, the side is s, and if you drop these perpendiculars, or if you join all the midpoints, you get the apothem as s by 2, right? Center of the figure will be this, okay, lying exactly in between the square where the 4 points, or where the two medians, or not the medians, where the two perpendiculars or the midpoint is extended, the meet, right? So this length will be s by 2, the center of the figure. Okay, now perimeter kya hoga iska? 4s, right? So area will be half into s by 2 into 4s, that is side ka square. So for a square we have the area as side ka square. Okay, let's observe for a hexagon. Okay, for a regular hexagon, guys, we know that each interior angle is 120 degrees. Let's assume each side as s. Okay, so if you observe, this triangle will be an equilateral triangle by symmetry of the figure. देखो ये वाला भी 30, ये वाला जो figure होगा, okay, 120, तो ये 60, ये 60 होगा by symmetry, right? Okay, or you can also prove it by dropping a perpendicular. You can take two triangles, prove them similar, or then prove them congruent. So if you drop the perpendicular here, okay, and if you observe, ये वाला angle कितना होगा? 60 degrees होगा सामने वाला, right? So this side will be root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse, right? This one. Okay, the hypotenuse again is s because it's an equilateral triangle. So this height is nothing but root 3 upon 2 times s. Okay, यहाँ से हम निकालते हैं area of the regular hexagon का formula half into apothem into perimeter, half into root 3 s by 2 into 6s. Okay, if you simplify, it's 3 root 3 upon 2 into side square. You can remember this formula. Okay, the area of a regular polygon is 3 root 3 upon 2 into side square. All right, let's solve a question based on this, guys. A regular polygon has an even number of sides. If the product of its side and the distance between the two opposite sides is 1/4 of its area, find its number of sides. Very interesting question. Exactly based on the concept we've seen right now. Okay. So what we do observe here is, guys, okay, a polygon having an even number of sides, right? As per the question, we have a polygon that has even number of sides. So let's take the square and hexagon for example. Okay. For both of these figures, okay, I can draw one more line over here. देखो ऊपर का h by 2 draw किया मैंने square के लिए. And for the hexagon, I'm drawing this particular line as root 3 s by 2 again. Okay. What do we observe is, guys, the distance between two opposite sides here is twice the apothem in both of these cases, right? So always remember, guys, whenever we have a regular polygon with even number of sides, the distance between the two opposite ends is twice the apothem. Okay, now you can solve the question very, very easily. The question says product of the side into distance of opposite sides is equal to 1/4 of the area. Okay, distance of the two opposite sides you can now replace by twice the apothem as we saw just now, and area के लिए you can apply the formula half into apothem into perimeter. Okay, so when you put these two values, you get this apothem gets cancelled out, and you get the perimeter as 16 times the side. If the perimeter is 16 times the side, that means the regular polygon has 16 sides. As simple as that, right?